something fun because who doesn't like gradient backgrounds, right? So those mixing of colors and textures, wow, it looks so cool, right? I really like gradient backgrounds, and we're gonna see how to create such a kind of a linear gradient today. There are three variants in gradients also. Okay, we'll discuss rest of them in the next sessions. But yeah, today we're discussing about linear gradient. Linear is like just like from top to bottom or left to right, okay, to bottom right to bottom left. So likewise, okay. So let's see how we can do that, right? So I'm just creating h3 tag, okay, just like that. So I'm just writing it as linear gradient, okay. So let's quickly go to CSS. While I'm moving here, you can just please do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Okay. So yeah, let's quickly get started with linear gradients. Now, so for linear gradient, you have to use background property. Okay. So you can just say background and you'll write linear hyphen gradient. Okay. And here you have to give the direction first and then you can give colors. Okay. So let's suppose I will say green first and then green yellow. So I think it's yellow green, right? So let's change it to yellow green. Okay. So what exactly I did here is I just wrote two colors and I gave linear gradient. Let's quickly run and check. So let's see the output. Wow. Looks so cool, isn't it? So usually what happens with the linear gradient is, so the default direction will be top to bottom. Okay, so on top it is starting from green and towards bottom it has become yellow green. So it is becoming yellow green, I mean. Okay, so this is how it is. Completely cool, right? So if you see it on new tab, wow, wow. Nice, nice, right? So top to bottom, it says it is becoming from green to yellow green. Okay, this is the default direction, right? What if you want to write the direction, right? So let's suppose you will say left to left. Okay, then you will write the color. So see, from right side towards left side, it is giving the color. Okay, because I wrote to left, right? So if I write to right, then from green to yellow green, like towards right side, it will be changing. So let's quickly write that. Okay, to right. Wow. See, this is how the transition is. Okay. Now, to left and to right is okay. What if you want the thing diagonally, right? So if you want diagonal thing, then so I will do one thing. So instead of changing it like this, let's create a division. Okay. I will give the ID. So ID as div1. Okay. So I will also give width. Okay, not directly, but in style, let's write width. So width is gonna be 50 pixels and height is gonna be, I think I'll write 100 pixels. Okay. So we will this one also, let's change it to 100. Okay. So now inside this division, I'll just write div1, nothing much. Let's quickly run and check what happens. We will change the background color of div1. I'm just trying to do something. I don't know if that works out or not. Control X. I'll just place it here. This will be hashtag div1 because this is ID selector, right? So let's quickly run it and check. Yeah, cool. Yes, this is what I wanted. Okay. Now, now I'll do one thing. I'll repeat writing this division again and again. Okay. So let's say, so this will be div2. This will be div3. This will be div4. This will be div5. This is gonna be div6. This is gonna be div7. Okay. So why am I doing this thing is just I will also give margin bottom. Okay. Margin bottom will be 10 pixel. So let's just change this too. So I'm just writing Control C here and let's paste it over here, here, over here. So let's see how this works like. Okay, so only on the division one we have this. On other divisions you will not have it because we have changed the IDs, right? So that's the reason. Let's change this as 2, this as 3, this as 4, this will be 5. Okay, cool. This will be 6. This will be 7. On this, I have not pasted this margin button. Cool. Let's go here. Let's copy this thing. And I will paste it over here for div2. Okay. And this will do towards left. I will change the colors also. So we can just choose any shade over here, right? I'm just choosing this shade, and on this we can just choose this one, right? Let's run it and check now. I think I'll just change this to some lighter shade. Cool. Okay. So to left, it is changing towards left, and this one towards right. Okay. So if you are not writing any direction, so on the div3, we can say I'm not giving any direction basically. Okay. So I'm just choosing some different colors over here. So let's choose this yellow color. So, and then I'm just choosing this orange color. Okay. So this will do it top to bottom. Okay. Yes. So from top to bottom, it is changing the color. Okay. Then now the next variant will be bottom right, bottom to top, right? So to bottom top, let's say bottom top. Let's change this to blue color. Let's change this to blue color, different blue. Let's run it and check. Bottom top, I don't think it is existing then. Let's write bottom right. Okay. So let's write, that means towards bottom right, it will be increasing, I mean, not increasing, basically changing the color from this to this. Okay. It just does the transformation. Okay. So yeah, it is doing the transformation towards bottom right. Like you can see the diagonal transformation here, right? So we can also do bottom left. Okay, so I'll just copy this thing. I'll paste it over here. We'll say this will be division 5. And instead of bottom right, you can just say left. And we can change the colors also. I will just change this to pink and this to purple. Cool. So you can see towards bottom left, the color changes there. Okay. This is how the diagonal gradient will work like, right? So you saw towards right, towards left, top to bottom, bottom right, and bottom left. Okay. So these are all the types of linear gradients we can do, right? There are few other types also. Let's discuss about them also, right? I hope you understood it so far. So we can also now do the thing for division 6, right? So on the division 6, let's mention these were the directions, right? Now we can also give angles, okay? So let's suppose I give 90. Let's see how this works like, right? So let's change the colors. I think I'll just change this to red color. I will change this to this color. So 90 isn't working out. Maybe we can write 180 and check. 180 means the horizontal thing will be there. Okay. So it's not doing the change for some reason, right? Let's check out once. Oh, wait. We haven't mentioned the unit yet. So we can write 90 degrees, right? Okay, so 90 degrees. See, from red to blue, the transition is happening. Okay. Now on division 7, so let's do this with 180 degrees, or we can say 160. I'm just writing 160. Let's check what happens. Okay, this is how the transition is, 160-degree transition. Okay. Likewise, you can give any number of degrees, no problem, right? Now let's add few more divisions also. Wait. So this will be 8. Next one will be 9. Next one will be 10. So this is 8. This is 9. This is gonna be 10. Okay. Now let's go to style here. Let's style it in another way also. Not only degrees, right? You can also give, let's change it to 8 first. So now what did we see? Like we have the directions. We can either don't give directions. It just gives the thing like this directly, top to bottom, right? You can give multiple colors also. Okay. So when I say multiple colors, let's say I'm just writing another color here. Okay. Let's just say blue color. Okay, okay, 00000 FF. This blue color, right? I'll just change this red color to some other color here. Maybe this pink color. Let's change this to this green color. Okay. Now let's see the transition, right? Let's run it. This is like multiple colors. Okay. So we are just doing, wow, see, pink, green, and blue. Cool, right? Isn't it? So this is how the transition is like, right? And then let's also do one more thing. We can give any number of colors like this, right? So let's say if you want to give four colors, five colors, absolutely you can do that. Now, now I will give red color here. So let's say FF0000. This will be red color. Let's change the shades a little bit. So I'm just using this burgundy kind of color, dark green, maybe a little darker shade of blue, and darker shade of red. Cool. So let's see. It has to mix up four colors now. Let's see. Oh my god, it's too dark, right? Cool, however, burgundy and then, green, dark blue, and dark red. Let's say we want to do rainbow colors. Yes, absolutely, you can do rainbow colors, right? So let's write the IV10. Okay, I'm just removing all these things. So first thing, what shall we do is Vibgyor, right? So violet color. What I will do, I will do this towards bottom right. Okay, so you can say to bottom right. Okay, now let's say violet and then now VI indigo, Vib B blue, G green, Vibgyor yellow, orange, red. Cool. Okay, let's check it out now. So this is gonna be the wow. See rainbow effect towards bottom right. Likewise, you can give any other thing also. Okay, so it works out, right? Now what I will do, instead of doing this on division 10 only, we can do it on complete entire page also. Okay, so I'm just placing this over here. Let's run it and check now. See, this is how with your rainbow colors. Cool, right? Nice. Let's see on the new tab. Wow. Oh my god, it's so bright. Cool. This is so cool. We have so many gradients created and it's absolutely cool, right? Nice. Wonderful. So this is something about gradients, right? I hope you all enjoyed this gradient class, and there are multiple other gradients which we have. Okay, so we have direction thing. We have given direction. We've seen degrees thing. We have seen multiple colors. We have seen rainbow, and you can also get the transparency thing, right? So all these things you can do. Okay, so the transparency thing, I'll just show this last transparency thing over here on this itself, right? So to do that, I'll just remove this rainbow thing because on the background I gave the rainbow colors, right? Let's quickly write something like RGBA. So now you can give let's say 255 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So 0 transparency comma RGBA. So basically RGB colors, if you don't know about this, please do go back to my channel and check it out. 0 comma 0 comma 255 comma 1. Okay, that means from red till blue kind of a transition it has to do. Basically, red is given transparent, right? Let's see how it gives that. Okay, it is doing it towards blue, but red is transparent, so that's why you can't see it. Okay, cool. This is how you can make a color transparent also. You can either do this like 0, and you can write 255 here. Okay, let's run it and check now. See, towards the red, it is changing transparent to non-transparent. Okay. So this is all about our today's session, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this gradient session where we have learned about so many types of gradients. I really love this because wow, so colorful, isn't it? Cool. Okay, let's meet all of you guys in the next session. Bye bye, guys. Have a great day, all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Folks Hub. Thank you so much for watching this video.